Hi, I'm Nayana Manori, working as Assistant Professor in the Civil Engineering Department, SVIT Bangalore. I'm the course coordinator for Advanced Surveying. Module 3, Curves. Two tangents AB and BC intersect at a point B at a chain edge 150.5 meter. Calculate all the necessary data for setting out a circular curve of radius 100 meter and deflection angle 30 degree by the method of offsets from the long chord. First write down the given data. You need to set out the curve by the offsets from the long chord. First write down the data. The chain edge of intersection they have given, that is 150.5 meter. The radius they have given, that is 100 meter, and the deflection angle they have given, that is 30 degree. Okay. The first thing, in order to set out the curve by the offsets from the long chord, you need to calculate, that is the tangent length. It is denoted by T. It is given by R into tan of delta divided by 2. Substitute the value, R value they have given 100 into tan of 30 divided by 2, and you will get it as 26.79 meter. Once you calculated, that is the tangent length, calculate chain edge of PC or chain edge of T1. Chain edge of tangent points, that is T1, that will be given by, that is chain edge of intersection minus, that is the tangent length. Substitute the value, chain edge of intersection they have given 150.5 minus tangent length, it is 26.79. Okay, upon simplification you will get it as 123.71 meter. Next you calculate length of curve. Length of curve, it is denoted by small l. It is given by pi into r into delta divided by 180 degree. That is pi into r value, it is 100. Delta value, it is 30 divided by 180. Okay, and you will get it as L value as 52.36 meter. Okay, next you calculate chain edge of T2. That is what? A chain edge of point of tangency. That will be called it as chain edge of T2. That will be equal to what? Chain edge of T1 plus length of curve. Okay, length of curve. Substitute the value. Chain edge of T1 is, you have calculated, that is 123.71 plus length of curve, it is 52.36, and you will get it as 176.07 meter. This is what chain edge of T2. Next step you need to calculate is length of long chord. Length of long chord, it is denoted by capital L. That will be equal to what? 2 into R into sine of delta divided by 2. Okay, substitute the value. That is 2 into R value, it is 100 into sine of delta, it is 30 divided by 2. Okay, then you will get it as 51.76 meter. Okay, next is what? That is the length of the long chord. It is divided into two equal halves. Okay, then each halves will be equal to half of that value, that is 57.76 divided by 2. You will get it as 25.88 meter. 88 meter. Next you calculate mid-ordinate. Mid-ordinate you need to calculate it. Mid-ordinate, it is denoted by O0. That will be equal to, okay, mid-ordinate from the offsets from the long chord. That equation is given by O0 equal to R minus square root of R square minus L by 2 whole square. This is the formula to calculate mid-ordinate from the offsets from the long chord. Substitute the value now. That is r, it is 100 minus square root of r, it is 100 square minus L value, L by 2. That is what? L is what? Length of the long chord. Length of the long chord, it is what? 57.76 divided by 2 whole square. Okay, upon simplification, you will get it mid-ordinate as 3.41 meter. Okay, next the ordinates are calculated. Okay, the ordinates are calculated at 5 meter intervals. At 5 meter intervals, starting from the center towards T1 for the left half. Okay, then calculate the respective ordinates, that is O at 5 meter. Okay, in order to calculate that is respective ordinates from the length of the long chord, it is given by r square minus x square under square root minus r minus O naught. You need to calculate respective ordinates at regular 5 meter interval up to what? Half of the mid-ordinate value. Half of the mid-ordinate value obtained, it is what? 25.88. Okay, at regular 5 meter interval, you need to calculate respective ordinate distances. Okay, that is what you calculated. Substitute the value, that is square root of r square, r is 100 square, okay, minus x square, it is interval, it is 5 square, minus r, it is 100, minus mid-ordinate, it is 3.41, and calculate, that is offsets at 5 meter interval, you will get it as 3.28 meter. Similarly, you need to calculate the ordinate at 10 meter interval. Okay, I will substitute directly in this equation, that is 100 square minus, now the x value, it will be 10 square under square root minus 100 minus 3.41. Okay, upon simplification, you will get it as 2.91 meter. Similarly, you need to calculate at 15 meter. You need to keep on increasing 5 meter interval. Okay, O at 15 meter, that is 100 square minus 15 square under root minus 100 minus 3.41. I have substituted in this equation, only the x value it will change. Okay, O at 15 meter, you will get it as 2.28 meter. Similarly, calculate O at 20 meter, that is under square root r square, it is 100 square minus x square, it is 20 square minus r minus O naught. R value, it is 100 minus 3.41. Upon simplification, you will get it as 1.38 meter. Next, last, you need to calculate O at 25 meter. Okay, that is r square, it is 100 square minus x, it is 25 square minus 100 minus 3.41. You will get it as 0.23 meter. Okay, this is what regular interval distances up to 25 meter I have calculated. Okay, but length of the half of the length of the long chord, it is what? 25.88. You can apply the check here. Okay, if you calculate length of the half of the length of the chord length, it is what? Calculate the offset at interval of 25.88. That is square root of r square, it is 100 square minus 25.88 whole square. Okay, minus r value, it is 100 minus 3.41. Upon simplification, offset at 25.88 meter, you will get it as 0. Okay, thank you.